All right, everybody. Welcome to the off season. First, I want to start by congratulating the Washington Bullets on winning the title. I think it was 4-2 over the Albuquerque Hawks, so congratulations to them. Congratulations also to Cookie, to the Warriors and the Knicks for making it to the finals and then conference finals, respectively. Great seasons from all of them, and certainly none of them can be upset. Here we have the order of the first round of the draft. As you can see, the lottery took place. I also already posted it in the Discord. But the Magic have 2 out of the top 4 picks. I think they jumped for both of them, perhaps. The Nuggets and Raptors slipped from their top odds, and the Rockets also jumped up into the top 4 at number 3, despite, I think, the fact that they got the number 2 pick last year, maybe, if I'm remembering that correctly. So the first thing we'll do really quick, this is going to try to be a shorter video, is we'll just check out some season stats from every team last year. I'm going to go kind of fast, so you can just slow down this video if you're interested in seeing how your players ended up doing last year in terms of all their averages. Oops, I skipped over the Bulls. But yeah, we should get the draft going here in a little bit. All of the prospects are already in the prospects tab, and as usual, we're only going to run through the first round of the draft. And then the second round, we'll just do like generally, if people want something, they can put it in their team chat, and we'll just blow through that really quickly. Here's the Albuquerque Hawks, who made it to the finals with Wemby, MVP of the league. Here's the Miami Heat, who started out last season very promising, but their team sort of slid off. I think they lost in either the first or the second round. I can't remember. Maybe it was the first round. The Utah Jazz, who had a pretty good year with Mobley. Same with the Sacramento Kings. I think their series went to 7 in the first round. The New York Knicks, who made it to the conference finals. The Los Angeles Lakers, who had a disappointing season despite their stars, and then also don't have their pick. Their pick did win number 1 overall, but obviously it was traded to Orlando, who has 2 of the top 4 picks. Here's Dallas, who I think has the number 2 pick. And this team could definitely use it as they continue their rebuilding process. Here's the Nets and the Denver Nuggets, who also have a top pick, looking to add to their young core with Augustine, who was the number 1 pick last year. Here's the Pelicans. I know they just put Bradley Beal on the block. The Pistons here, who probably had a disappointing season. I think they got eliminated in the first round. Same as the 1 seed Chicago Bulls. 2 seeds in the East both got out in the first round, top 2 seeds, which is kind of insane. There's the Rockets. They have the 3 pick, I think. The Spurs, who were the reigning champs, not anymore, but they still had a pretty good season. Lost in that conference finals rematch to the Warriors. The Warriors then went on to lose to the Hawks. Here's the Thunder team. And the Minnesota team here with Dame and CJ. Portland with Garland and Quickly. I know Quickly didn't play very well in an elimination game for them in the playoffs, but still had a good season, 6th man of the year. And then finally, your league champion Bullets with Tyrese Halliburton, who averaged almost 16 assists in the playoffs. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show everybody's cap holds here. I'll sort them from highest to lowest. And I think we will allow you to release these cap holds. It might not take effect until after the draft, but yeah, I'm going to show the salary tables next. So if you're trying to understand your salary tables, just remember that you have all of these cap holds taking up space on your salary tables. Van Vliet with a $64 million cap hold. That's pretty insane. Mavericks, Nets, Middleton with 45 million. Markkanen here with 21 for the Nuggets. The Pacers, the Pelicans, Pistons, Toronto with a lot of cap holds. Some of them are small though. Same with the Rockets. They have quite a few. Not very many at all for San Antonio. Brandon Miller holding 23 million. And then finally the Bullets, Mike Conley. And then I'll go ahead and show cap tables, but that's it. I don't know what it means when it says plus 3 million or whatever. I would take all of these with a grain of salt and mostly just focus on your cap tables. I'm mostly just showing these so that you can see who you have a team option for and who you have a player option for, because you want to get those team options into chat and accept them. Randall with a $41 million player option. We'll see what he does on that. 25 million team option there for Wemby. Couple small options at the bottom there for Charlotte. But it looks like a lot of their team is probably going to be off the books. Same with Utah. That's crazy. Their entire team almost off the books next season. I don't know why Van Vliet was blue there. That's kind of weird. Couple team options here for the Pacers on Dyson Daniels and Walker Kessler. Not much in the way of stuff that the Pelicans have to do. Raptors have a lot of cap space even with their cap holds. I think that number in blue, or that plus at the top, is all of your team options added up. Maybe not. I have no clue. Huh. Almost done here. The Warriors. And finally the Bullets. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Congratulations again to the winner of the draft lottery and the title winner, and good luck.